Hello and welcome back to the AriZona Enthusiast channel, where today I have an Adidas and AriZona unboxing video for today. One of the items I have already, and I had to order a second one because I just fell in love with it so much and I want a second one to be pristine, so I ordered another one. It is the Continental Vulk green tee with pink AriZona Adidas collaboration shoe. I really love this shoe, but I wear it, so it's showing wear. So I want to have a second one to be in pristine condition for the collection. And the other thing, which I'm very excited about, and main reason why I'm very excited about it, is that I haven't gotten an AriZona product in like a week and a half probably, and it's an Adidas shirt. It's not really AriZona, but it's supposedly like 90's style, and it has like bright colors, and it was listed underneath the AriZona items, even though it is not an actual collaboration with them. So I bought the shirt because Cyber Monday deals are pretty good. I was able to get the shoes for I think $39 or $29, something like that, and I got the shirt for like $14. So let's get right into it. Can't wait to see the new shirt, but also get the shoes again. I think this is going to be my 14th pair of AriZona shoes. I really like the collaborations, and I want to get all of them. I am missing the young ones, both the iced tea and the green tea, and I'm missing the green tea Continental 80. But other than that, there's like the Nike collaboration, which are very difficult to find. So I don't know if I'll get those anytime soon, but I'll definitely try and get all the Adidas collaborations as soon as possible. So we have just the shoebox. That's very strange. It might be two packages. I might have to go and check, but we'll see what's inside the shoebox and see if the shirt's in there too. It's upside down. All right. So just like any of the new AriZona Continental Vulks, it is this white box with all these shoes have a bunch of laces, so I have three extra laces. It has pink on them. So there's the shoe. Both beautiful pink AriZona shoes. I love these so much. I need to get more like pink apparel to go with them. But so after having the shoe for a while and wearing it all the time, pretty much, not all the time, but you know what I mean. The best things I like about it are just the texture of it. It's really nice, and everyone loves these shoes. Like whenever I go out, people compliment me on these and the green tea black Continental Vulk, and you know people just really like the green tea, and the pink really stand out. Drawback to the shoe definitely is that if you get anything on it, because it's pink, it's kind of hard to get rid of without making it seem darker, which is kind of how mine are going right now, my older ones. And the white it's not a direct white. I don't really know how to explain it, and it starts kind of like getting not that good after a while. I wish they made them in a slightly either, I don't know, like maybe make this green or pink or something so that it would last longer and look better. But you know, it's a white sole, so what can you really do? But what I rep right now are the green tea laces with them. Those are pretty good, but I might change it up and go, you know, green with white or green with pink on it. Just switch out the shoes, and I'll be keeping these in pristine condition. But yeah, so there it is, and I'll have to be back for the t-shirt. Well, after a few days, the t-shirt did arrive, even though Adidas said it was already completed. I don't know why they came separately, but that's fine. It was on the same order. So, let's get into this thing. Wow, that is some really annoying packaging. Oh yeah, there she is. You can already see the colors are just really vibrant and really cool. Something that, you know, AriZona would be a part of. Ooh, hoo, hoo. There's the t-shirt that I got. There were 3 different ones, I believe, for men, and then there were 3 for women. But I'm already loving it so far. I just wish it had an AriZona logo on it. Adidas logo, the stripes, which can be representing the AriZona iced tea original can design. Those type of stripes, which are also seen on the Continental 80 iced tea shoes. These right here. And then right shoulder has this navy, actually navy on the back, but the stripes go through it. I couldn't even see that. Stripes go through it. And Adidas trifold logo. Doesn't have one on the left sleeve. Yeah, I really like the shirt, but it'll match the shoes, the pink shoes. But that's really cool. I can't wait to try this on and wear something that isn't AriZona, but is an AriZona affiliation, because this was under the, when you search up AriZona on Adidas' website, these shirts came up too, even though they're not actually AriZona. I think it was a cool buy. So have a nice day, and thank you for watching.